Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the relationship between CBD and eczema. So this is probably going to be a quick video. There's not a lot of research out there. CBD is relatively new, and as time goes on, I'll have more information for you guys. But as for right now, I only have a little bit to tell you guys. So there are some pros and cons of it. I stand completely neutral. It's up to you if you decide to use it. Just make sure it doesn't interfere with any of your medications. Ask yourself this question: do I have eczema because of stress? Does stress flare my eczema? Do I deal with anxiety, depression? Am I dealing with eczema that is easily irritated when I get stressed out? If the answer is yes to any of those questions, then you may need to try doing CBD for a little while. So you can take little capsules, but make sure that it's sourced correctly. So what this will do is, it's kind of like an adaptogen where it helps your body manage stress. It's pretty cool. I don't fully understand how it works yet, but it is effective at reducing the stress within your body. So if you're in school, if your relationship's stressing you out, if work is stressing you out, the long-term goal is to change these things. But the short-term idea is that you could use CBD to manage the stress that you deal with. I had a client who kept seeing overnight results. They were able to heal their skin in about a month because they were using the CBD, because stress was the biggest component for them and their skin. So what are some of the downfalls of CBD? It's not researched well. A lot of companies are releasing products that are not clean just because it's very trendy right now. Another con is it could lead to long-term nervousness. So like, for example, if you take it for a couple of months, when you try to get off of it, you'll experience some nervousness. It's kind of one of those things where I tell you guys, while you're trying to heal, while your eczema is really bad, maybe this is something you use, but then you wean yourself off of it and you try to heal more naturally, using diet and lifestyle going forward. There is some research that points to the use of topical CBD oil for your skin. That could be another option for you. There are some relationships between the properties of CBD and eczema, but there's a lot of research out there that also says that about many other things, so you kind of have to take everything with a grain of salt. I am fully neutral. If you want to try it, let me know how it goes, and I'll keep updating you guys on this subject. It's really up to you. If stress is a big aspect of your skin health, try it. If it's not, then maybe avoid it. Try different things. Stay away from the edibles because they're not eczema friendly. The gummies have sugar in it. I think they even have like sweets and other stuff. This is actually different from THC and marijuana. So there's a huge difference between CBD and marijuana. Marijuana contains THC, which is a mind-altering drug. CBD is an extract. It's basically hemp oil. It's slightly different from just hemp oil. There are some good properties in it, and I'm just very in the middle with it. So as research starts to come out and everything comes together, I will keep making these videos to update you guys. So it's up to you. Let me know if it's benefited you. Let me know if you've experienced the nervousness. Let me know. Also, try to avoid caffeine. There might be a link between caffeine and CBD. You shouldn't be drinking caffeine anyway if you have eczema, but just keep all of those things in mind while deciding if you want to use CBD oil to heal your skin. So, thought I'd update you guys. There are some good and some bad, but try it out for yourself. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Crashing waves